Hello guys, welcome to my third channel. Same place where I filmed the car. I will be showing my, don't know what year, but I know it's a Dodge dump truck. So this was a this was a fully built car that my mom bought for my daddy-o. And we recently turned it into a project car because it was broken, and we're fixing it. We took out the engine. It's in the garage. The dumper was already taken off. It's down there somewhere. It's taken off because it was filled with trash, and it was there's like so much crap in it. Truck thing. Oh Lord. Oh, so we bent back the seat. There's a couple engine parts in here. I find interesting about this truck is this giant, I think you call it speedometer, and the speaker. I really find this steering wheel, really damn cool. Like, holy. We got the flip-flop. Yeah, beautiful truck. Had a nice life while it was still running. That'll be it for this video. Bye, guys.